Trust me, you'll never want to make turkey wings any other way after trying it this way. Juicy, flavorful, fall off the bone. Let's get into it. This is my turkey wings. I'm using 5 of them. They're nice and clean. I'm going to poke them. Yes, it looks a little dangerous, but just poke them just like this to add flavor. Now we're going to pat it dry with a napkin, just like that. Once you're done, you're going to drizzle some olive oil on here. Rub that oil all over. And then you're going to grab your seasoning. I like to mix them before I add them to my turkey. So I'm using my Cajun seasoning. I'll have it linked below from Island Vibe Cooking, of course. Or you can use any name brand if you like. I would love for you to support me by ordering one. But anywho, I added some Creole seasoning in here, ground black pepper, paprika, a little bit of Italian seasoning as well. Now I'm saving a little bit of the seasoning so I can add it to my gravy. Once you have your turkey wings like this, it is time to place them to your baking dish. All right guys, now we're going to make a gravy for the turkey. So I have about 2 cups of chicken broth here. I'm going in with 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Just going to add that in. Give that a stir as you're adding it in, so we don't have any lumps in here. And also the remaining of the seasoning, I'm going to add it into the gravy. Need that to be flavorful as well. Now to my baking dish, I'm going in with some onions, a little bit of bell peppers. Add those at the bottom because you don't want to burn them, okay? And then I'm going in with a little bit of that the gravy, pretty much. Turkey wings. I'm going to place it right in here. I'm going to place this one in the front, I guess. Now I'm going to add the remaining of the chicken broth. Now I don't like to add it on top of the turkey, just on the side. Now once you're done, you're going in with a little bit of butter. I'm going to add it on the side as well. I can baste the turkey once it's done baking. Just place it on the side and we're just going to cover this. Now I'm going to bake this on 350 for about an hour and a half. Oh my God, these turkey wings looking gorgeous. Come take a look. The turkey wings are looking gorgeous. Tell me this don't look so good right now. Mouth watering, and they are super tender too. Oh my God. Let's get into it, okay? Ooh, fall off the bones. So tender, clean. Falling off the bone. Oh my gosh. Go try this recipe out. It's so bomb, so flavorful. Oh my goodness, I'm about to dive in off camera. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. As usual, let's get this video to about 1,000 likes. I know you can do it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.